In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your shop template on Big Cartel for a fresh look. By following this guide, you'll be able to navigate the Big Cartel dashboard with ease and give your online store a makeover in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in and start transforming your shop's appearance into something that truly reflects your brand. First, we begin by heading over to your Big Cartel dashboard. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. Once you're signed in, look towards the top of the page where you'll find several menu options. What you need to do now is click on the Account button. This will open up a new page with a variety of settings and options related to your store. Now, the next section you'll need to focus on is the Shop Design. As you scroll down the page, keep an eye out for a section labeled Shop Design. Right next to it, you'll see a button that says Go to Shop Designer. Click on that button, and you'll be directed to the Shop Designer area. This is where all the magic happens. Once you land on the Shop Designer page, the focus will be on the top left corner where it says Templates. This is the hub for all your design choices. Here, you'll find an array of templates, each offering its own unique style and layout. Take your time to browse through them, keeping in mind the overall feel and functionality you want for your shop. Picking the right template is essential, as it helps set the tone for your customers' shopping experience. After deciding on the perfect template for your store, just go ahead and click Switch Template. Don't worry, you haven't finalized changes just yet. It's important to pause for a moment because changing your template can alter how your products and pages are displayed, though your existing shop content will remain intact. Take this opportunity to review your choice to ensure it aligns with your vision. Once you've confirmed that the chosen template is the right fit, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This is Big Cartel's way of saying, "Are you ready to make the switch?" Simply press OK to confirm your choice. And just like that, you've successfully changed your shop template. It's as simple as a few clicks and a confirmation. And there you have it. With just a little bit of scrolling and a few well-placed clicks, you've completely transformed your shop's look. Remember, you can always revisit these steps whenever you want to refresh your store's design. Thanks for watching, and happy selling with your newly styled Big Cartel shop.